Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Yes, today's video, I am putting the Moto One Zoom against the Note 10 Plus. This video is in 4K at 30 frames per second. Again, how does that sound? I'm going to switch the audio back and forth. Slow pan. You may ask why I'm doing this. I just want to see how the One Zoom compares to the flagship phone. A lot of people give us trouble when we compare flagship to mid-range or budget devices. But I'm like, well, hey, why not do it? So I'm going to do it. But it looks pretty good. They both actually look pretty good. Just at my famous little park. How's the wind? Because it's kind of windy in Texas today. It's every day it's windy in Texas for whatever reason. We don't get that much rain though. I'm going to do 4K at 30 and then 1080p at 60 and 30. And then some front-facing camera action too and some photos. But this was 4K at 30. I'm going to come back at 1080p next. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. On both phones. Again, how's the wind? Hopefully it's not too bad. Yes, that is the minivan over there. On both phones, I don't have access to the different lenses at 60 frames per second. Bam, look at that. Do y'all see any focusing problems? I don't know, but this thing is sure making some noise. The wind is blowing it around. But I think everything looks pretty good on both phones. Will this Moto One Zoom keep up with the Note 10 Plus? That is what I want to answer in this video. Do you have to spend $1,000 on a phone to get a decent camera? Let's see. The focus on both phones look really good too, by the way. But I'm going to come back with 1080p at 30 frames per second in just a moment. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames per second. Still at my famous park, but I changed location. They actually had a snake swimming in that pond. I threw a stick at it and it did not really go nowhere. But it disappeared though. Who knows? If y'all hear me screaming later on in this video, then y'all know what happened. Yes, I will still post it to YouTube because, you know, that would be pretty cool. YouTuber gets bit by a snake while doing comparison. But let me go take a walk. Man, this grass is getting higher too. But again, how do I look? I mean, not how do I look. How does the video look? And how do I sound? I'm going to switch the audio back and forth like I normally do. But look at the clouds. What y'all think about it? I'm going to come back with the front-facing video in just a moment. But these cameras actually look pretty good on the One Zoom. At least what I think. But I want your opinions. Y'all let me know. Let's get a discussion going. I'm going to come back with the front-facing video in a minute. Till then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is the front-facing camera on both phones. This is in 1080p at 30 frames per second. Because that is what the One Zoom can shoot in. This is where the Note 10 probably will outshine the One Zoom. Because I can shoot up to 4K on my Note 10 Plus. But how does this look? How does I sound? Look at the background. Man, it actually looks pretty good on the One Zoom. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this whole video. I'm going to come back with nighttime video also. So that way we can see how each phone does at certain parts of the time. I know people actually like low light videos. I don't understand it. But y'all let me know. Until then, peace. Y'all have a great day. All right, I'm going to give you a little bit extra today. This is 1080p, ultra wide angle on both phones. What y'all think? I know Leo from Android Stud loves his wide angle, so what y'all think about it? It's going to be just a short clip, but I wanted to do it just to see which one actually looks the best. But I'm going to come back with the nighttime video this time. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is both phones at nighttime, 4K at 30 frames per second. What do y'all think? How do I sound? How does everything look? Which one is doing a better job? The Note 10 Plus or the One Zoom? Yes, I'm at my famous Big Lots. Check out the ground. Everything looks pretty good on both phones. Which one has the darker blacks? Which ones are doing a better job with the lights? I don't know. Overall, I think both phones did a great job. Let's pick a winner. Again, I don't think the One Zoom will be everybody's favorite phone. But how did the One Zoom do overall compared to the flagship? That is what I want to know. Let's get a discussion going. How's the stabilization on both phones? Because like I said, it's 4K at 30. So OIS should be on both phones. It looks like the Motorola has a darker black. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm going to come back with the front-facing camera in just a minute. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is nighttime video on both phones. Yes, the One Zoom against the Note 10 Plus. What y'all thought about this whole video? Which one was a winner? Did the One Zoom actually hang with the big boy Note 10 Plus? I don't know. Let's get a discussion going in the comments below. I love having discussions and talking to my subscribers or non-subscribers. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button though. But again, how does the sky look? How does everything look? I think everything looks pretty good so far on both phones. Now, the Note 10 will give you better front-facing video, especially if you shoot it in 4K, which you can't do on the One Zoom. But how does the One Zoom look? Do you see any type of stuttering, freezing on the front cameras for the One Zoom? I don't know. Y'all let me know. Any focusing problems too? They actually both look pretty good. But I just want to wrap up this video. It was fun doing this comparison. Stay tuned. I'm going to have more coming up with both of these phones. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now. Enjoy this video. Peace.